Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Bilal Sefi from New Alpha Infotech Private Limited, here to brief you something about interactive touchscreen. We have iTouch brand touchscreen. We are the manufacturer of iTouch brand touchscreen. This touchscreen is capable of doing anything, every work you do on your computer. But the difference is you are using your finger or any stylus with this touchscreen, and else in your computer you use your keyboard mouse. You can touch it anytime. We use LED touch based touchscreen. It is capable of LED using optical sensors technology, which make it reliable, rugged. We used aluminium frame and hard toughened glass to make it rugged and easy to use in the classrooms or in any boardrooms. This touchscreen is having an inbuilt computer, which is very capable of doing any work you do on computer, having inbuilt speakers, sound system, and expansion slot that you can use your any external device with this computer also. You can use your finger or any dummy pen with this touchscreen to use anything. Like I want to use any presentation on this, I can open anytime and I can make it printable. So I can change pages by one touch only, like this. So it is very easy to use. You can use it anytime, anywhere, but the thing is, it is very reliable. Now come to the point, what else this hardware can do. We are giving you this software with this board, where you can write anything with any color with an interactivity in it. Welcome. I can change color of my pens. I can change thickness of my pen anytime from a single click. So this touchscreen gives me a capability to write on this. No one else can do. I can change unlimited of pen. I can take backgrounds for kids. I can take graph papers for presentations and the meetings in the boardrooms and etc. I can change the color of my background also, so that it will be very convenient to use it. Like this. So I can change my colors. I can do n number of things. I can have tools, recorder, image capture recorder. A basic and the most important function in a touch screen. You can record your voice as well as the video you are capturing on this board. I can write with my pen and I can record it with my voice. Welcome you all, and I have been recording this video. Simple, and my video is ready. Save. So this touch screen is capable of doing any work you do on your whiteboard, interactive board, and the computer. So this is all in one product. Thank you so much. So this world class product is ready to come to your boardroom and a classroom. For more details, visit our website www.alpha-infotech.com. Thank you so much.